Good morning, dear students. Class 2, Subject Conversation. Open your Gentle Conversation book. Open page number 42, Chapter 17, The Value of Cooperation. Students, take out your Gentle Conversation book, page number 42. Today we are going to read chapter number 17, The Value of Cooperation. The name of the chapter is The Value of Cooperation, means the importance of cooperation. What is the meaning of cooperation? It is the action or process of working together to the same end. Okay? Presume you are Anushka. Students, you have to presume that you are Anushka. You have a younger brother, means you have a small brother. His name is Sahil. He wants to have your watercolors. Your brother Sahil wants your watercolors. He is talking to your mother. The boy Sahil is talking to his mother. He is sorry for having refused you a thing earlier. Now, here is a situation where your brother Sahil is feeling sorry for refusing you for a particular thing or something. Refused, meaning of refused is not willing to do something. Okay, so here is a situation where your brother is feeling sorry that he refused you for something, but now he wants your watercolors. So he is talking to your mother about it. So let us go through it. Sahil, mother, I need watercolors. Now here Sahil is telling his mother that he wants watercolor. Mother, don't you have watercolors? Now mother is asking Sahil that don't you have your watercolors? Sahil, no, I don't have any. Sahil is saying that he don't have his watercolors. Mother, you must be having crayons. Then his mother is saying that instead of watercolors you must be having crayons. Sahil, yes, I have got crayons. Sahil is saying that he is having crayons, but in this painting I have to use watercolors. But here Sahil wants watercolor for his painting. Our drawing teacher has asked us to do so. He needs watercolors because his drawing teacher has asked him to do watercolors in one of the painting. Mother, okay, you may get these colors from your sister. She must be having them. Now here mother is saying to Sahil that you can get watercolors from your sister. Means Anushka. From Anushka you can get your watercolors. She must be having them. She must be having watercolors. Now come to page number 43. Sahil, yes mother, she has got them. Sahil is saying that yes, Anushka is having watercolors, mother. Then why don't you ask her for them? Now mother is saying then why don't you ask your sister for watercolors? Sahil, mother, she will not give them to me. Sahil is saying that his sister will not give her watercolors to him. Mother, why? Did you ask her for them? Now mother is asking the reason why she will not give. Did you ask her? Sahil, I know she will not give them to me. Sahil is saying that mother, I know she will refuse to give watercolors to me. Mother, but how can you say so? Now mother is asking Sahil, how can you say it so surely without asking? Sahil, actually yesterday she asked me to lend her my stencil, but I refused. Now Sahil is telling the reason why she will not give. As yesterday Anushka asked Sahil to grant her his stencil, but Sahil refused to give his stencil to her. And what is stencil? It is a thin sheet of card, plastic, or metal with a pattern or letters cut out of it. It is used to produce cut design on the surface. So that object is known as stencil. Mother, so that's the problem. Now you must apologize to her. Now mother gets the point of Sahil, and she is telling Sahil that you must apologize, means express regret to your sister for doing wrong to her, as he refused to give stencil to her. Okay, Sahil, I am sorry, mother. Now, here Sahil is feeling sorry for what he has done. Mother, see, dear, cooperation is a great virtue. Virtue means moral standard. Now, mother is telling Sahil that cooperation, if you will cooperate with one another, it is a great moral standard. You must develop it. You must develop the value of cooperation in yourself. We must help one another in need. Yes, it is very true. Students, we should help one another in need. Sahil, mother, I am really very sorry. Now, here Sahil is feeling very sorry. Next time, I will not refuse her anything. Now, Sahil is saying that next time he will not refuse for anything. Okay, mother, all right. It's good that now you have realized the value of cooperation. Now, here, mother is happy that his son Sahil has realized the value of cooperation. Sahil, yes, mother, I have realized the importance of cooperation. Mother, come with me now. Mother asked Sahil to come with her. The mother takes Sahil to his sister Anushka. Now, mother takes Sahil to his sister Anushka. Mother, Anushka, Sahil is sorry for not having lent you his stencil. Now, mother is saying to Anushka that your brother is feeling sorry for yesterday that he didn't lend you his stencil. Now, come to page number 44. Turn your page. Anushka, I know, he must be in need of something that I have. Now, Anushka understood that now Sahil needs something. That's why he is feeling sorry for his mistake. Mother, yes, dear, you are right. He needs your watercolor. Now, mothers tell Anushka that Sahil needs your watercolors. He is your younger brother. You should forgive him. Now, mother is saying that Anushka should forgive his brother. Means Anushka should stop feeling angry on his brother. Anushka, all right, I am ready to forget and forgive. Students, look at this word. The spelling here is wrong. You have to correct it. Write Forgive. Forgive. Okay? You have to correct it here. Anushka, all right, I am ready to forget and forgive. But he always forgets his promise. Now, Anushka agrees that she will forget and forgive his brother, but at the same time, she is saying that his brother always forgets his promises. Sahil, no, sister, now onwards I will not forget my promise. But here, Sahil, make sure that from now onwards he will not forget his promise. Please forgive me, and he asks for forgiveness. I will always obey you. And Sahil says that I will always listen to Anushka. Anushka, okay, that's like a good brother. Now, here Anushka is saying to Sahil that that's like a good brother. Mother, good. I am proud of you, Anushka. Now, here mother is feeling proud for Anushka. I am proud of Sahil as well. And for Sahil, also she is feeling proud. Why mother is feeling proud for both of them? As Anushka has forgive his brother for his yesterday's mistake that he didn't allow him to lend her stencil, and mother is feeling proud for Sahil because he has understood the value of cooperation and he will not repeat this mistake again. Now, students, this was all there in chapter number 17. Your homework is you have to read chapter 17 on your own. Now, your homework is read chapter 17 from your Gentle Conversation book. Thank you.